Well, my grandma talked in several ways. She spoke this language that nobody really understood because it was like a quilt. It was a pastiche of Russian, of Hebrew. She prayed in Hebrew. That she did. A little bit of Yiddish, some kind of talk that was like market talk that she must have learned in the market, and then some kind of talk that was Sephardic, because I think before they were in Russia, her parents came from Spain. So nobody could understand her. It didn't matter who was listening. But with me, she always put her hand on my forehead when she talked, or she put her hand on my heart. So I listened through my skin, and I understood through my skin. And I didn't understand Hebrew. I recognized the rhythm because she would rock back and forth, and her hands would go like this as they would move up and down like dance as she was praying. And so I listened through my skin so I could understand her. It wasn't rote. She said the same words again and again, but they never felt the same to me. It depended upon what was going on that day, that moment in her life. So prayer was very alive.